Hello dears, today's topic is a question from dimension analysis, which is unit and measurement chapter. So question is, find the dimensions of a by b in p equals to a minus t square by bx, where p equals to pressure, t equals to time and x equals to displacement. The question asking, find the dimensions of a by b, in which one equation is given, that is p equals to a minus t square by bx, where p equals to pressure, t equals to time and x equals to displacement. So we have to find the dimensions of a by b. Dimensions of a by b equals to what? So to finding dimensions of a by b, we use the principle of homogeneity. So first we find the dimensions of pressure. The unit of pressure is Newton per meter square is equals to kg meter per second square into 1 by meter square. Meter cancel to each other, so is equals to kg per meter per second square. Kg per meter per second square. And its dimension formula will be m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. It is the dimension formula for pressure. Next, dimension formula for time. So SI unit of time is second and its dimension formula is T. Next, displacement. So displacement is meter and its dimension formula will be L. Now, in the given equation, P equals to A minus T square by Vx. Now, we can write the equation P minus whole of A minus T square by Vx equals to 0. Here, A minus T square, in the term A minus T square, which is two terms and which is subtracted to. So, here we apply the principle of homogeneity. According to principle of homogeneity, dimensions of A equals to dimensions of T square, because these are two terms. That is why A and T are subtracted. So, dimensions of A equals to dimensions of T square. Now we have to find the value of dimension here. So A equals to the dimension of T is T. So A equals to T power 2. So it is the value for A. Now we will find the value of B. So we take whole equation. Here now we apply again principle of homogeneity, and here two terms are, one is P and another is A minus T square by Bx. So dimensions of P equals to dimensions of A minus T square by Bx. That is according to principle of homogeneity. Now we put the value of P, that is dimensions of P. So dimensions of P is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2 is equals to, here A and T both has same dimensions. So dimensions can't be subtracted if they are equals. So here write only one term dimension. So m L power minus 1 T minus 2 equals to T power 2 by B into dimensions of x equals to L. So B into L, because since A and T square has same dimension, so we will write only one term dimensions, that is A or T square. So only written one term dimension, that is T power 2. because both dimensions are same. Then equation will be b equals to t power 2 by m l power 1 l power minus 1 t power minus 2. After calculating, it will be m power minus 1 t power 4. This is the value of b. M power minus 1 t power 4. It is the dimensions of b. In the question asking dimensions of a by b equals to what? So now we'll find the dimensions of a by b. It will be t power 2 by m power minus 1 t power 4 is equals to 1 by m power minus 1 t power 2. So a by b equals to, when they will goes to up, a by b equals to m t power minus 2. It is the dimensions of a by b which is asking in the question. A by b equals to m t power minus 2. So this is today's topic and topic is over. Thanks for watching.